All right, it's snowing, it's cold. We're at 405 Crestview. Matt's in here putting this house back together. So we're going to do a little progress tour. We've got everything ripped out, demoed down, and we got a game plan on how we're going to put this thing back together. So he's at it 100% now, and we're ready to go. It's cold. Let's go in. So first thing we found was hardwoods. Man, we found a lot of hardwoods lately. And you would think that these are not refinishable, but when you know the best refinish guy in the game, everything's refinishable. So they had pets. You can kind of see the tracks and the trails from the pets. Pretty worn out. These are going to look awesome. He's already kind of told us that, yeah, we can do it. So the main part of the house is 3 beds, 1 bath, bedroom, 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 and then the bathroom right here, and you've got a living room. The rest of the house has been added on to over time. So there's a family room back there, garage, and then an above garage, 2 bedrooms that is going to be the focal point of this house. So what are some things that you found here on this, like the main part of the house, that we didn't expect, or what we've learned so far?
You know, downstairs hasn't been too bad. The upstairs, another story. Aside from just, some angry people punching holes maybe, there hasn't been too many surprises down here.
Plumbing-wise, though, we did...
Plumbing-wise, there was no shut-off valve for the main water coming into the house anywhere. So we got shut-off valves, some new plumbing put in. We have can lights that are going in around the downstairs from our electrician. And aside from that, it's just mainly a lot of paint. We're going to do some retexturing on the ceilings, a lot of paint, the floors, new trim in rooms.
Doors.
And new doors. These are, pretty as cheap as they get, so we'll update those as well.
I like this room, Naughty Pine, is that what we're going with? But they were kind of outdoorsy, the cellars, and we're going to keep some of these original features that they had it done in here, and then the closet's got.
Yeah, you got to see the closet. Yeah, that is beautiful.
And the cool story about this house, once we get to the kitchen, we'll talk about the owner of this place. Bathroom, pretty standard for what we normally do. We'll put new lights, mirror, vanity. Shower's in good shape. It's already tiled. The floor's tiled. We're going to leave that as it is. This one is, more of the kids' bathroom with bathtub and all that. So we're going to just update, not do anything too crazy in here. No layout changes or anything like that. It's had an old floor furnace in it. And we've done these many times where we've got hardwoods and a hole cut out for the old floor furnace. Dave Armentrout will definitely be able to patch that in. We've already seen him do it once just a couple weeks ago, and you can't even tell, which is crazy. So in here, where's the lights in here? This kitchen was like this when we bought the house, except for the floors. They had, just a vinyl roll. The husband was a cabinet builder, and they're awesome. So real wood cabinets. It's cool to keep things that the house originally had. So we try to keep stuff like this, and I won't paint them white and do all that stuff that people do. This is a cool feature. We're going to leave it as it is. It's got the island. We'll tile the floors. Another cool thing in here is the original sink was on this side, so there's plumbing under here. Now the sink's over there, stove, but we can use that plumbing to have a pot filler right next to the stove. So we'll add a little sizzle feature in here. This part of the house was added on later. They lived here for 30 some years, so they've constantly just been adding on to their, house, their forever house. Got too big, kids moved out. The seller, the wife, was ready to move south, and she did it at the right time because it's cold here. These floors will get refinished. They're in great shape, but if we're going to refinish the front, we want the back of the house to match. So they're going to be, this is such a big room and a cool room. Can lights or LED lights in the ceiling to upgrade the lighting in here. There were some interesting lights. They were hunters. There was antlers up there and whatnot. Cool fireplace. Is it wired?
No, so here's another surprise we found, which we'll have the electrician fix. This is a big no-no. They just have a extension cord coming through the brick to power their TV. So this is all coming out. New Romex put in with an actual receptacle.
It's interesting to see what people come up with. You know, you live here for 30 years, you want a TV on that wall, extension cord, perfect plan, right? Back deck, really nice. We'll fix the roof above it, but the backyard is amazing. They've got a little chicken coop out there that we're going to keep. But yeah, big backyard, deck, covered deck. Come out, sit there and have your morning coffee. The stairs go up to the master bedroom that we are putting most of our time and energy into in this house. They started the remodel construction. They actually built that extra space on top of the garage, and unfortunately passed away before he got to finish it. So we're going to go up there now. It's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that we've changed layout. We have really come up with a cool plan to make it a very nice modern master suite with a huge bathroom. Garage, I'm not going to show you a lot. We'll just stand right here because the materials are in here, but this is a big oversized 2-car garage. All the ductwork is new ductwork going up to the upper level here so we can heat and cool that. But this is really well put together. All the electric was actually done by an electrician that I used to work with. So garage, perfect, love it. There's a bunch of workspace in here, a lot of tools that we're going to end up keeping from the gentleman being a cabinet builder. Maybe we're going to start a cabinet building school.
Just might.
You might be the teacher. Laundry room's down below us, but that's boring, so we're just going to skip that. So coming up here, this is kind of how it was before. It was drywalled and mudded, but they never got around to finishing, so we got to go ahead and rip out some things and change some layout. We're going to go in this bedroom first. So this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms up here. It had a small closet on this side. Very small closet. So instead of keeping it the way it was, me and Matt come up with a plan to maximize closet space in these 2 bedrooms by simply cutting a few holes and relocating closets and doors. So you're going to...
Yeah, so today, so we should have all the framing upstairs actually finished today, but this is going to become this bedroom's new closet. So it'll have a nice 60-inch sliding closet door here. The can lights, they just have to get scooted back a little because they fall right where the wall will be. And then aside from flooring, paint, the drywall, this room will be completed. This is neat too. So the previous owner, they planned on having, I believe, a little electric fireplace here.
Yep.
What this also does, it gives you attic access. A fairly easy way to get up there. So, but I don't think we've fully decided on what we're putting there.
Yeah, we may or may not do the fireplace thing, but we'll see. There's extra space right here, so we'll figure something out, something cool to do with this. I'll come up with something in my sleep. All right, bathroom.
Where it gets exciting.
This is where it gets good. Yeah, I'm excited about this. We don't do layout changes a whole lot, but when you have a house in this price range, you want to maximize the space. There was a closet, a towel closet on this side, kind of useless. And then the door was almost right where the toilet sat. So he's going to go over all the different little layout changes that we're doing in here, because we have really maximized this space by literally just relocating closet space and, you know, making this into a huge bathroom instead of a standard bathroom.
Yeah. So in here, there's quite a bit we changed. So this was set up for a standard door. We're actually putting in a 32-inch pocket door we have here. It's going to slide in. We pulled the toilet. You can see this is where it did come through. So we pulled it out some, and we're actually going to have a partition wall here that's going to kind of enclose the toilet area, so it's a little more private. We'll have some empty spacing here for some corner shelving, and then a dual 60-inch vanity. That'll be absolutely beautiful. We still have some register vents that are getting relocated. Previous owner, I think, didn't know exactly where he wanted them, so he just
started cutting.
But yeah, so the previous bathroom, it ended actually right here. And then this was closet space for the master. So we tore it out, and this is gonna be probably the selling point of this house. So this is a 4-foot by 8-foot dual shower. So there's enough room. I mean, you can see two full-grown men.
I'm not really full grown, but
I mean, you could party in the shower. We're gonna have dual rain shower heads. It's gonna be really nice.
yeah, the original shower was here, and you can see the original closet where he pulled out the framing there. So now, instead of having this shower, my legs don't even go that far. That's why I'm undersized. But yeah, 4 feet.
Yeah, it'll be a big shower.
And
Very
is
big.
this going to be, the shower's going to go wall to wall?
Yeah.
No
Yep.
closet here, like what we were talking about that, but we have so much space on the vanity wall
Yeah.
that you can do your towel stuff over there instead of wasting this space as a towel closet on the outside of the bathroom. So yeah, some cool layout changes in this one. I'm excited about this.
And with this shower, so it's all going to be custom tile, 2 niches for each side. And then we're also going to have a 3.5-foot centered bench right here to be able to sit on, shave your legs, whatever you're doing in the shower.
Glass doors right here too, not doors, but glass
Panels.
on
Yep.
each side to block the water from the shower heads, but you'll be walking in right through the middle of the shower.
Yep.
That's something we haven't done before. I'm excited to see how that turns out. Yeah, I'm real excited about this bathroom.
Another upgrade too. So you can see very standard bathroom vent. That's not cutting it for us. We're putting in a LED backlit Bluetooth bathroom fan so you can pump your tunes while you're getting down in your bathroom.
I always like doing those. It's just a cool little they cost nearly the same as what a normal exhaust fan does. 30 more bucks. So this is the bedroom in here. This bedroom is huge. This is where the parents would be staying if this was my house. So taking this closet out, we just literally relocated it, just moved it down. It's the same size. We're just using the space a little bit more efficiently. So you've got a big closet here. And then the smaller one that came from the other bedroom, doing another closet for this bedroom here. So it's got 2 closets, and that one's got a bigger closet. It's all framing and drywall, really.
Yep.
I mean, just maximizing the space. We're getting pretty good at that. I didn't used to like doing that because ripping walls out really can pose some issues if it's an older house. Plaster is a pain. Knob and tube wiring is also a pain, but this is a newer house. We didn't experience any of that. We checked it before ripping all this stuff out, and now the layout is awesome. And it's got its own little balcony out here that goes down to the back deck that we showed you earlier, right into the kitchen. So this is like perfectly located for all your kids can stay downstairs and you can get away from them and hide in your own bedroom and have this giant awesome bathroom in here. So
Yeah, and another thing to think of too is, so this upstairs, it is all brand new doors, brand new windows, and everything is well insulated on the exterior walls. So essentially you're getting a brand new addition on the house.
brand new house too, because it's all going to be redone.
Yeah.
The roof is probably the only thing that's staying in one of the HVAC units. We did replace one of them already. Had one newer one older one. Now this is heated and cooled by its own system, and then the downstairs is heated and cooled by its own system. So yeah, this is a good property. We're excited about this one. We're in the Knollwood area, Mink Shoals. Lots of nice houses up here. Not real sure yet where the price range is going to be, but this is definitely a higher end house, and we're going to finish it with higher end finishes too. So this is progress update here. You can on our website, you can get in contact with us if you want to buy it now, or if you want to pick some of the finishes, then this is the time to do it, because we're getting ready to start finishing things out. We do that often. We pre-sell sometimes and kind of build it out to the customer's specs. Some of the things we still have to stay within budget and whatnot, but yeah, we're actively marketing this one. It'll be how long do you think you got here if you did it
We probably have about a month till finish, interior.
interior wise? So a month or two. It'll be ready by springtime, which is perfect selling time. So keep on the lookout for this one. This is our feature project right now. So we'll be doing a lot of updates, videos, and showing some cool stuff that Matt's doing in here. He's pretty crafty, so I'm excited to see how how he turns this place around. It's a good one. And this is going to be a great, this is going to be a great showcase project for Matt to show what he can do.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.